Whew. It is July 26th. We are at the vessel Azurro. I cleaned this side of the boat and cleaned the water line to remove the stains. So this is the side that I have cleaned the stains on the water line. I'm going to go down and show you the hull itself. I have not cleaned the propeller yet, nor the other side of the boat, but I'm going to show you the side I have cleaned. Now let's go look at the side that I haven't cleaned. Starting with these barnacles are very, very hard to get off. We're going to swim from the dirty side to the clean side. Go ahead and make the other side look like this. Thank you for choosing DS Diving. She really does need bottom paint. There's the gel coat right there.